Are you looking to transform your home with a modern and spacious feel? Have you ever wondered how you can merge your indoor comfort with the beauty of the outdoors? Well, in this video, we're exploring the innovative solution that has captivated homeowners and designers alike, the BiFold patio door. Hey, I'm Chris from Southwest Exteriors, and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. Today, we're diving into the world of BiFold patio doors. These aren't just any doors, they're a transformative element for any home. We'll explore what makes them special, the advantages they bring to your living space, and considerations to keep in mind before making this significant upgrade to your home. Let's start with the basics. BiFold patio doors, also known as accordion or folding doors, are more than just an entryway. They consist of multiple panels that fold back, creating a wide opening that seamlessly connects your indoor space with the outdoors. This design is a departure from traditional sliding or French doors, offering a full open space when retracted. Made from materials like wood for a warm, traditional look, aluminum for strength and longevity, or UPVC for its affordability and excellent insulation properties, BiFold doors are customizable to fit your home's aesthetic and functional needs. Now let's talk about the benefits. First and foremost, BiFold doors invite an abundance of natural light, enhancing the visual flow of your home. Whether they're open or closed, they provide a sense of spacious continuity between your living space and the outdoors, making them perfect for entertaining, relaxing, or simply enjoying the view. Another significant advantage is their space-saving design. Unlike traditional doors that require clearance space, BiFold doors fold back on themselves, utilizing very little space and offering easy access during gatherings. Not to mention, installing BiFold doors can increase your property value thanks to their modern appeal and wow factor. However, it's essential to consider the full picture before proceeding. BiFold patio doors represent a higher-end solution, with costs typically ranging from $30,000 to $70,000 depending on size, materials, construction requirements, and brand. Security is another aspect to consider. While modern BiFold doors come equipped with advanced locking systems, some homeowners perceive them as less secure due to their large glass panels. Additionally, it's worth noting the importance of professional installation to ensure optimal weather resistance and thermal efficiency, particularly for homes in areas prone to extreme weather. BiFold patio doors offer a stunning way to enhance your home's aesthetics, functionality, and connection to the outdoors. However, their benefits come with considerations of cost, security, and installation complexity. If you're drawn to the idea of creating a seamless indoor-outdoor living space equipped with natural light and modern style, BiFold doors could be the perfect solution for you. Yet, understanding the investment and what's involved in their installation is crucial. Thinking of installing BiFold patio doors? Before you decide, it's crucial to know what's involved, especially about altering your home structure. Linked above, check out the must-read guide, 8 things to consider before adding a new opening to your existing wall, to get fully prepared. Thank you for joining us as we explore the BiFold door. For more insights into the latest in-home improvement solutions, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.